A little bit on
Sure.
the ground, right?
Well, we already have some now, so he's got
okay.
his wish tonight. So it's been coming in through the evening hours, and probably get a half inch to an inch out there in some locations. There may be another inch or so on the ground. Good evening, everybody. You can clearly see as we look out at the live tower cam shot here in Grand Rapids, there seems to be kind of a haze out there or so. There's a fresh coat of some very light snow out there. Temperatures are in the upper 20s to around the 30-degree mark. It's not really problematic now, although it is slippery. It certainly greases up the roadways, but the problem becomes overnight and into tomorrow morning as the temperatures fall into the teens. The salt's not very effective at melting this stuff, and it may be slippery tomorrow morning, so watch out for that. Arctic air is going to be coming in here overnight. This is a this is a snow event right now generated from a cold front, but it transitions over to a lake effect event overnight, but it's going to be generally light, about 1 to 2 inches, maybe an isolated 3-inch amount, especially along and west of US 131, and that's why with the temperatures falling, I'm a little concerned about an icy morning commute tomorrow because it'll be that cold. And then 40s again for the weekend. We'll do a flip-flop. How about a green Christmas? We've been talking about that for days now, and it now looks like that is going to be the case. This is probably about the last snow we're going to see of any significance. So I would expect most or all of this to be gone by the time we get into Christmas time, and I don't see anything on the horizon of any significance between now and Christmas. We do have alerts out there. These are winter weather advisories for all of our counties through about noon tomorrow. For the dropping temperatures, the wind chills, and that little bit of snow that we're going to get. Most of the snow that's concentrated is from Grand Rapids across our southern counties right now. There's still some snow showers up across the northern counties as well, but this is going to continue through the overnight hours and then transition over to lake effect snow showers as that Arctic air comes in. We don't have Arctic air on the map yet, but as we pull out to a wider perspective, you don't have to go far from Green Bay back to the north. We've got temperatures in the single digits, 21 in Green Bay. This is the air mass that's going to come plunging in here as we head into later tonight and into tomorrow morning and drop those temperatures. Here's the future temperatures at 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. Those are the bigger, whiter numbers. The model puts us, most of us, in the teens. The WC numbers are the wind chills. And this is tomorrow morning again at 6 a.m. Wind chills at or around 0, maybe even below 0. As we go through the morning and up to around noon, we still generally have temperatures in the teens and wind chills down around 0. And as we go through the afternoon hours, despite the fact we may see a little bit of sunshine inland tomorrow afternoon, temperatures go nowhere. Don't be fooled by that. We're going to be cold, only in the teens for temperatures, and wind chills are going to be down around 0 to about 5 above during the afternoon hours. Clouds and radar moving over the last several hours to show you the way these snow showers just blossomed and flared right up, but the Arctic air isn't even in here. That's going to start to kick up the lake effect snow showers through the overnight period. So for tomorrow and our Wednesday, maybe an icy morning commute, certainly cold. Temperatures only going to be in the teens. Wind chills are going to be down around 0. We may start to see a little bit of sunshine away from Lake Michigan tomorrow afternoon with a west-northwest wind at about 10 to 20 miles per hour. Here's what it looks like on Future Track HD. That cold air is in place. High pressure will eventually shut that down during the afternoon hours. From Wednesday night into Thursday, temperatures are going to fall back into the teens, so you'll want to bundle the kids up at the bus stop not only tomorrow, but again on Thursday morning. Thursday, we might get in a little bit of sunshine. Thursday night into Friday should be generally on the quiet side. There is a weak low pressure that's going to thicken the clouds back up for Friday. Doesn't look like it's going to be a precipitation producer for us. Here's snowfall amounts from this entire event. Generally along and west of US 131, about an inch or 2 total. There may be an isolated 3-inch amount in here with that west-northwest wind. And if you're further to the east here in that gray area, you're probably talking about less than an inch from this event. So we're not talking about a lot of snow, but coupled with the cold and those temperatures falling overnight into tomorrow morning, the salt's not going to be real effective as a melting agent, and that's my concern. So be very careful tomorrow morning. You can always watch us tomorrow starting at 4:30 a.m. all the way till 9 a.m. to get an update on what's going on with radar and current conditions with traffic on our traffic guy, Rob Westerby. We bump right up to 34 degrees on Thursday with dry conditions, 38 on Friday, 40 on Saturday, 43 on Sunday, mid-40s on Monday. Tuesday is Christmas Eve. It's 38 degrees. Look at the lack of any significant systems going on here. So that's why I say this is probably the last somewhat significant snow before we get into Christmas. And that's why we've been saying for the last few days and continue to say, looks like a green Christmas for us. Great for traveling. If you want to read any more on that or this system coming in overnight or tomorrow, you can find 2 different stories if you go to fox17online.com. Derek, Janice?